Alright guys, how you doing? Been trying to make this video or find some information to upload on lead generation. I've been starting with lead generation and traffic. Oh, that depends on what your business is, and nobody knows what your business is better than you. No one knows the ins and outs, you know what I mean? So if you're into dogs, alright, that's a pretty broad spectrum. And I'll be more than happy to tell you my experiences and what that led to, because my Facebook ads is as targeted as you can get. That would be my, if you got the money. I mean, the ads cost is going up right now, so that's kind of sucks, but you can get awesome results with Facebook ads. You just have to optimize them and shit or stuff. But I mean, the best way to figure out how to do something is to fucking quit watching me and quit Googling shit and just to do it, man. I mean, I was looking at how to make money online for years before I even made any money online. But you guys drop me a like, subscribe to my channel, please. It's a pretty new channel. I just started uploading some content for you subscribers. So enjoy, have a good day. Hey, I just wanted to show you what happens when I run out of ideas on where my leads might be located at. So I actually use this interest explorer tool, and it's actually, I use it for keywords mostly, but you type in dogs here and it will give you, like you can see, it gave you 324 interests. If I use this, it's called the interest explorer. It's actually part of the Facebook domination bundle that I'm actually an affiliate for, but I only promote tools that I actually use. So you pull this up, type in your interest, say dogs. I think that's the example I used in the video. So this is cool because all the usual search results and tools and stuff, they only give you 25 interests. You know, this gives you all of them. So boom, you click that on and you got, it will kind of target the leads for you, I guess, in a way, because it gets as like narrow, or how would I say that, it breaks them off in like subcategories, I guess. It'd be so like you see the dogs I type in, and here you get 324 interests related to dogs. All right, that's a lot. So you click on them, but wait, there's more. Boom, right here, random one. I don't know, hopefully. Okay, you see me click on that one, you get 23 interests out of that interest. You know what I mean? Sometimes you get them, you'll click on them and they don't go anywhere, but that's why I don't know. Alright, sorry, I'm trying to do this on my tripod's non-operational thanks to my puppy, but this is another one in the same toolkit. It's a clickable image right here. Click on that. Boom, all these images are images that I posted to Facebook that somebody would click on, and you get their information just for them clicking on it. You know what I mean? There's no capture page, there's no opt-in form or none of that, especially if you utilize the Facebook pixel. Alright, it's not that hard to set up. It's pretty self-explanatory. You see what I'm saying? Boom, boom, submit. Okay, another tool in that toolbox is the opt-in link right here. Is a link. You create your own link, and it's the same kind of deal as the image. It's like a capture page in a link. Has a new opt-in link, so you could post these on any platform, but this tool is for Facebook, but you can copy and paste the link anywhere, so it's pretty cool. And of course, if you didn't know, you can generate leads / traffic with your social media accounts. Right here is a good example with this tool, Facebook Domination. It has actually 7 tools that are pretty cool for social media marketing, but this is the post manager, and I use this just like any normal Facebook kind of post, but you got normal posts and call to action posts. Okay, the call to action post, just as a call to action post, it gives you it's optimized to collect leads and stuff like that. But what I actually have pretty good success with is the slide post, and that is actually like a carousel ad on, I'm sure you guys have seen them. It's just a bunch of different images, but for getting traffic and leads, and it was online, offline. I guess you'd call it old school marketing. I don't think it's that old though, but right here you can see a t-shirt I made for my brand that I'm working on right now. So keep an eye out, subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I made this actually, and that's actually a car decal. So let me show you the business that I actually used the decal on. Was this opportunity I was promoting right here. It's actually a banner sign. You can see, or a banner. You can see that right there. And then also, I had really good. I don't know if it was really good or just the fact that my return was really good because of the cost. It didn't cost anything really to make these. I didn't even keep track of how much it cost. These signs were a little more expensive, along with the vinyl for the decals and stuff. But these, all you need is paper and a printer. But I wrote these on there as an afterthought, because I handed all those out with the numbers on them. But that's actually what mine looked like. Just wanted to give you guys all the best info before, so it's not an afterthought for you guys, so you could actually use them up front, like I said, it just depends on your individual opportunity, whatever business you're promoting or business you're starting, offer. But right here you can see